In the heart of Africa, under the expansive savanne sky, the Pride Lands flourished as a kingdom ruled by the noble Lion King, Mufasa. His reign brought peace and balance, with every animal understanding their place in the circle of life, the sacred cycle of existence. The kingdom erupted with joy when Simba, Mufasa's newborn son and heir, was born. Animals from across the Pride Lands gathered at Pride Rock to witness his presentation. Rafiki, the wise baboon shaman, performed the sacred ritual, anointing Simba with ceremonial marks before lifting him high for all to see. The savanne erupted in celebration, the animals bowing in respect to the future king. While the kingdom rejoiced, Scar, Mufasa's cunning and bitter younger brother, lingered in the shadows. Resentful of being overlooked for the throne, Scar's jealousy deepened with Simba's birth, further thwarting his dreams of ruling the Pride Lands. Scar began plotting a way to take the throne, driven by ambition and bitterness. Meanwhile, Simba grew, full of youthful energy and curiosity. Mufasa patiently guided him, teaching him the responsibilities of leadership and the delicate balance of life in their realm. He explained the importance of respecting the circle of life and warned Simba never to venture into the shadowy elephant graveyard beyond their borders. Simba, eager to prove his bravery, disobeyed his father's warning and ventured into the forbidden graveyard with his best friend, Nala. The desolate place was home to danger, and their adventure turned perilous when they were ambushed by a trio of ravenous hyenas loyal to Scar. Just as the hyenas closed in, Mufasa arrived in time to save the cubs, scaring the hyenas away with his powerful roar. After the rescue, Mufasa reprimanded Simba for his recklessness but also reassured him with love, using the stars to teach him that the great kings of the past watched over them, a reminder of their shared legacy. Scar, however, seized this moment to set his sinister plans into motion. Manipulating Simba's trust, he lured the young cub into a gorge, convincing him it was a special surprise. Scar then orchestrated a wildebeest stampede, knowing Simba would be trapped. Mufasa rushed to save his son, bravely fighting through the chaos. He managed to lift Simba to safety but was left clinging to the cliff's edge. Scar, seizing the opportunity, betrayed Mufasa, throwing him to his death. Devastated and manipulated by Scar into believing he was responsible for his father's death, Simba fled the Pride Lands in shame. With Simba gone, Scar claimed the throne, plunging the Pride Lands into ruin. Under his reign, the balance of the circle of life was destroyed as hyenas overran the land and resources dwindled. Meanwhile, Simba, lost and guilt-ridden, wandered through the desert until he collapsed. He was rescued by Timon, a wisecracking meerkat, and Pamba, a warm-hearted warthog. Together, they introduced Simba to a carefree lifestyle under their motto, Hakuna Matta, meaning no worries. Years passed, and Simba grew into a strong young lion, living in denial of his past. However, a chance encounter with Nala, who had fled the Pride Lands in search of help, reignited his sense of responsibility. She pleaded with Simba to return and reclaim his rightful place as king, revealing the devastation Scar's rule had caused. Torn by fear and doubt, Simba sought guidance from Rafiki, who reminded him of his father's legacy and showed him that Mufasa's spirit lived on within him. With newfound courage, Simba returned to the Pride Lands, now a desolate wasteland under Scar's tyranny. Confronting his uncle, Simba revealed Scar's betrayal, sparking a fierce battle. In the end, Simba defeated Scar, who was ultimately overpowered by his own hyena allies, betrayed by the very forces he had used to seize power. With Scar gone, Simba ascended Pride Rock, roaring triumphantly as the rains returned, washing away the scars of the past. Under Simba's leadership, the Pride Lands flourished once more. The circle of life was restored, and a new generation was welcomed as Simba and Nala presented their newborn cub to the kingdom. The cycle continued, a testament to resilience, hope, and the enduring legacy of the Lion King.